loves! Welcome back to my vlog! Ayun guys, may susunduin tayo sa airport. What? Walang iba kundi my love of my life. Ay, akala ko talaga na pinapanood ko lang to sa movie.
Oh my God!
This is it guys, after LDR relationship. Nakikita na kami ng love of my life ko. Hindi pa na siya.
I must be dreaming.
Hi guys, my love of my life! Oh, kala nyo lalaki, no?
Gusto niyo kumain muna?
Dahil sa mag-hi ka naman sa vlog ko. Hello, sabi ko kasi nita yung love of my life. Ito na. Okay guys, we're done sa aming sauna session. And look at my mom. Kita sa camera, but pulang-pula ako guys. Now, it's time for our bathtub. I-tour ko kayo sa place, and this is like blessing in disguise kasi maganda pa rin kahit pag-inan natin. Kaya, see you guys later! Alright, this is our food. Laing and sisig bangoy. So yan guys, this is our room. Pasok tayo dito mga loves. Ay, may tao na sa room ko. Excuse me, baka wrong number po kayo. So ayan guys, ang ating stay-in room for 2 days. Hindi yan lang siya kaliit kasi for 4 packs lang siya. Pero, aesthetic naman yung labas. Ganyan view mo sa labas. Okay, good morning everyone! Ay! My little pussy!
NANI?
Hi! Good morning! So yan, this is our view. Good morning, mother dear.
Good morning, baby.
Good morning, my cousin.
Uy!
Aga-aga, may chicks ka dyan. Yes. Hi. Ouchie. Yan. So, this is the after. Yes. Punta na kami sa pool. Tapos na yung pictorial namin. Kaya, titignan natin kung very giving ba ang ating pool. Lagoon. So, this is the way going to the pool.
Few moments later.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan! Ayan, ikot-ikot. Uy! Ano tawag dyan, no? Backstroke! Na-stroke! Kakain na kami ng breakfast here. What's the experience? It's quite good. Super lamig ng lagoon. Siguro I would appreciate it kung hot spring siya. Especially, pumunta tayong bumabagyo. So, malamig. Pero good siya. Kasi guys, kapag malamig, it closes your pores. Pero pag hot spring, it opens your pores. So, kailangan ko ng pampainit. Kasi nilalamig ni Pasko. Huh? How was the experience?
Very exciting. Very mountainous.
Very relaxing. Very, I don't give a fuck about na kami. So, I hope you enjoyed our staycation here. If you guys want also to stay in here, mag-book lang kayo sa Instagram nila, which you can click dito sa link natin dito. Okay guys, for more travel, follow me here on YouTube and see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!